My name is Alexander Barnes. I'm an associate of the arbitration practice group of Wobeser in Mexico City, Mexico. Wobeser is a full-service law firm with 17 ranked practice areas and 6 industry groups. In the dispute resolution side of the law firm, we deal with all types of business disputes, including commercial litigation, administrative litigation and amparo, constitutional litigation, including before the Mexican Supreme Court, mediations, class action lawsuits, commercial arbitration, and matters of international investment law. Our firm, and especially our arbitration practice group, counts on the experience and support of Klaus von Wobeser, who is one of the most recognized and experienced arbitrators in Latin America, and also 2 justices in retirement of the Mexican Supreme Court of Justice. Their support is vital in all complex matters of Mexican law, and their input gives us, in my view, a real seal of approval on the quality of the analysis that we're providing. The firm places innovation and technology at the center of its strategy. It really pervades everything that we do at the firm, from translations, document review, e-discovery, investigations, such as how we use Jus AI. And we even use specialist CRM software to manage business development and our client relationships. The firm has a specialist innovation and technology committee of partners and counsels, whose remit is to identify technologies that can enhance our practice areas and engage the associates of the firm to test these products and report back to the committee on whether we should contract it or otherwise. We've done so. Just yesterday, we were discussing a new AI e-discovery tool that the firm is considering acquiring for the litigation and arbitration practice groups. And really, I would say that this sense of innovation is something fundamental to the strategy of the firm going forward, and it's something that I've particularly felt in the past 6 years of working here. In October 2023, Wobeser launched Vonbot, an in-house AI chatbot long language model. Vonbot can perform 3 main functions. It can answer simple questions, it can help us to manage more complex questions, and it can summarize content that we upload to it. Vonbot is a tool that we developed internally with the firm's resources generated over the past 30 years and the provisions of Mexican law that are most relevant to our practice. It was inspired by a feeling within the law firm, a strategic philosophy and approach that the legal industry is evolving and that our clients expect us to make use of these tools to enhance not only the reliability but also the efficiency of our work. So you might wonder why we would contract for Jus AI if we have an in-house LLM that has similar features to Jus AI. And the simple answer is that we could not, even if we tried, replicate the quality and extensiveness of the Jus Mundi database. The Jus Mundi database has tens of thousands of documents, awards, court decisions, legal opinions, books, and articles that we rely on every day in our legal analyses and investigations. Jus Mundi has strategic partnerships with the ICC, IBA, and dozens of local and regional arbitration courts and institutions that contribute their awards and work products to the Jus Mundi database, making it really a community effort. And if we tried to do that in-house, it would be impossible. We also have to take into account that there are more awards being published, rendered, discovered than ever before. So to be able to make use of an AI chatbot that can access and process that Jus Mundi database is something that we felt we could not miss out on. Jus AI has had an appreciable impact on the way in which we conduct our investigations and generate our strategies. We use Jus AI to conduct investigations for our memorials, our work products for our clients, to identify arbitrators for new cases, and to identify arguments that we think are likely to be more persuasive to arbitrators that we have in existing cases. We use it to investigate potential expert witnesses for cases and to investigate ways in which we may interrogate opposing counsel's expert witnesses. So from an investigation point of view, Jus AI has been a bit of a game changer for us. In terms of document upload, we are seeing documents in international commercial arbitrations extending beyond 500 pages, memorials of 500 pages, expert reports of hundreds of pages. And it can be challenging to process such a wealth of information. But with Jus AI's document upload feature, we can upload very heavy documents, generate summaries of those documents within seconds, and probe the document, ask the Jus AI chatbot questions about the document. And what's particularly useful about the Jus AI chatbot in that particular respect is that it will not only give you responses to your questions, but it will generate hyperlinks to where in the document it is taking those conclusions from. And for us, that is something that makes the Jus AI chatbot really of fundamental value to us. As a philosophy at the firm, we don't allow AI to substitute for real analysis. But the intelligent use of AI enables us to take complex ideas, have them be synthesized by AI, and then for us to be able to cross-reference to within the document to verify that what the Jus AI chatbot is telling us is correct. And for us, that gives us a lot of peace of mind. That gives us a real sense that we're using the technology intelligently and that we're not going to incur in any errors by making proper use of the technology.